Hello kings and queens, welcome back to Luxurious Lish. I am back with another video. In today's video I am going to be doing a review on some Tory Burch slides that I bought. It is the Crystal Double T Sport slides. So right now I'm just getting the box open, just looking over everything. So here in this little envelope, I just wrote myself a cute little motivational or inspiring little note, I guess you could say. I usually like to include little notes just to encourage myself to keep working hard and to stay motivated. I absolutely love this blue, white, and green simple little pattern on the back of the bag. And I also think this little gold Tory Sport logo is cute as well. This is the dust bag that came inside of the box already. I was just taking a look at it. I think it's a really good quality. I also love the pattern that's going across the top of the dust bag as well. This is the moment that I have been waiting for. This is the moment that you have been waiting for. I was so excited to finally see these in person. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. So for this shoe, I actually did order a size 7. Which is my usual size. I didn't have to go up a size, I didn't have to go down a size. Later on when I try this shoe on, you guys will see that it actually does fit true to size. I wanted to show you guys the sandal in the sunlight because it shows its true color. It shows the true color of the cream, and it shows that it is an actual black. It's not like an off black, it's not a gray, it's completely black, and it's also a cream color. Also, I showed it in the sunlight so that you guys could see the embellishments or like the crystals on top. They also sparkle a little bit in the sunlight, which I thought was really cute. As you can see, the size 7 fits true to size for me. That is my actual size. I still have a little bit of space in the back. The thing about my foot is it fits the size 7 lengthwise, but my foot is wide, but this shoe still does fit comfortable. It is a little snug fit, but I think that's to help keep your foot in place so that your toes don't go shoot off the front of the sandal. I actually like the snug fit. If you guys don't like a snug fit around that part of your foot, I would suggest going a size up. But other than that, this actual size fits perfect for me. I absolutely love these sandals. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you learned something from this video, or if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it to someone else. See you guys next time.